Welcome to another episode of Yearbook Avenue 101. Today's topic, creating type styles to make your yearbook life easier and your yearbook more consistent. If you have not yet discovered the miracle that is type styles, this video will be eye-opening. Once you have learned how to set up and get your staff to use type styles, you may just kick yourself for not making use of them before. Without telling you why you need them, or what they are, or what they do, I want to show you how to set them up, and then I'll show you how they work. Once you see how they work, we think you'll be sold on styles and ready to set up your own. So first, log on to Yearbook Avenue. If you've not yet picked out your fonts, you need to do that first. There is another video in this video set about choosing fonts. If you haven't seen it and chosen your fonts yet, do that now. Then come back here. Once you have your fonts chosen and added, choose Styles from the Plan menu. This screen will open. I have to say that I am often a little scared of a blank screen, so let's put something on this one. Click the Add Style link in the black menu bar. This box opens up. We're going to call our first style Body Copy, as we're going to use this throughout our yearbook for any body copy text. If you are new to Yearbook, body copy would be the stories you are using to tell the story of this year. Choose Body Copy from the category list. Then choose the font you want for your body copy. You loaded that previously, right? The font size and any attributes. It's body copy, so don't make it bold or italic. We have chosen AYT Urbano in 12-point normal. Once you've picked yours, click Save. Now we're going to set up captions. Click Add Style again, name the style Captions, make the category Captions, choose a font, a size, and an attribute. We're going with a slightly smaller and tighter version of our body copy font, AYT Urbano Condensed in 10-point normal. Again, click Save. Now let's set up a subheadline for just the Student Life section. Click Add Style again. Name this one Student Life Subheadline. Change all the attributes. We made our subhead category in AYT Urbano, bold, condensed, 18-point, bold, and we saved it. And now, for this demo, let's do our last one, the Student Life Headline. For this, we will use a decorative font, AYT Arizona, in the headline category, 32-point, and the default attribute for AYT Arizona, which is italic. Save that one, and let's go look at the way this works when you get to the page. Now let's switch to the Page Designer by choosing Page Designer from the Create menu. This brings up the last page we worked on. For us, it's a page surfer design we added just for this demo. I will zoom in to show you how the type styles we set up can work for you. Here is the type that came with the page surfer that we want to use. Obviously, this font is not AYT Urbano. In fact, when we click into the copy, we can see in the format sidebar that it is AYT Pallideo, which is the Page Designer default font. On many yearbook staffs, the staff member using this page would now have to remember to change the text to AYT Urbano 12-point plain, which is the style we are using in our yearbook. They probably have this written down for themselves someplace, we hope anyway, or maybe it's posted in the yearbook room. I see signs like this all the time. Hopefully, they remember to change it. If they don't remember, when they finish working that page and turn it into you, then you or your editor will find it and make the change. But then there's a problem because the type won't fit the space that it's there because Urbano 12-point is a lot larger than Pallideo 10-point. Or worse, you might miss it and this page will go to the book like this and look totally out of place. But if you have set up type styles, your staffer working on this page only has to do one thing to this copy block to get it ready to be typed. Click in or on it and choose Body Copy as a type style from the Styles menu in the Format sidebar like this. And just like that, the body copy is switched from AYT Pallideo 10-point to AYT Urbano 12-point. The staffer working on it can now erase the sample type and start typing their own copy in the correct font and style. Now we'll scroll down to a caption, and I'm going to click anywhere in the caption and choose Caption from the Type Styles menu. The font, size, and attributes are immediately changed to our caption style. You can do this on multiple captions or copy blocks at the same time by holding down the Shift key while you select all the blocks you want, and then choose Caption or whichever style you want from the Styles menu. Also note the Add Styles button next to the Styles menu. If you get a particular type of copy that you like from a page surfer or a click and go, just write down the attributes and then click this button. You'll be instantly transported back to the Styles page where you can add it as a style for use throughout the rest of your yearbook. Oh, and one other thing about choosing styles on a page. If you have a lot of styles, that Styles menu is going to get really long. We don't want you to have to scroll up or down to find the style you want. So click the menu and type the first few letters of the style you want to use. For instance, Student Life Headline, and it will jump right to that style. Keep this in mind when you're naming your styles to make it easier to find them later on. Is this amazing or what? You can do the same thing with any type in your yearbook. Headlines, subheads, divided by sections or not, you name it. But to make this work, you have to do two things. Set up the styles and teach your staffers to use them every single time. Make it your system.